So in this video, we will learn how to save Instagram media to Google Drive. So imagine this, you are a popular Instagrammer. And once you have uploaded your image in Instagram, you want to save this image in Google Drive, just to be safe. So here you have two choices. The first choice is download the image from Instagram and re-upload the image back into Google Drive. Now this process is actually very repetitive and tiresome. So I would suggest that you bring in some automation so that whenever a new media is uploaded in Instagram, it will automatically save this file in Google Drive. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Instagram and Google Drive. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so we will begin with a small example. So as you can see, this is my Instagram profile. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to upload an image, okay, a new image. Okay, so as you can see, I have uploaded a new image. Okay, so this is basically a Samsung phone and I have entered the caption as Samsung. Let me just take you to my profile and you will understand it better. Okay, so as you can see, this is the newly uploaded image. So the idea is that once the image is uploaded here, it will be reflected as a file in my drive, in my Google Drive. Okay, so let me just refresh this, give it 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so as you can see, we have got the image. So this is the same image that we have uploaded in Instagram. Okay, so basically we have got the same image in Google Drive. So basically that's the gist. Anytime an image is uploaded in Instagram, it will be saved or stored in Google Drive. So to begin the actual integration process, let me just type pabbly.com. So your obvious question is, why pabbly.com? Because, well, we have an app called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Instagram and Google Drive. So basically this is the website of pabbly.com. Here let me just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also build your own free account in just 2 minutes. So let me just scroll down and here you will find Connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, there is a button called as create workflow. Click this. Now, before I create a workflow, there is something I have to do. So as you can see, I already have made an integration of Instagram and Google Drive. So basically I have to switch this off. Otherwise it will give me 2 results. Okay, so it is actually none of your concern. All I'm going to do here is we are going to build a new workflow from scratch. So I'm going to give a name to this workflow, Instagram. I'm sorry about the spelling. Google Drive. Okay, of course you can give any name according to your discretion. And let me just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as a trigger window. So basically we are going to build a new workflow. Now if you want this ready-made workflow, you can clone this from the link of the workflow that I have shared in the description box. Now in the choose app, how about we make it as Instagram. Okay, so as you can see, we have 2 choices here, Instagram and Instagram for business. Now I'm working with a simple Instagram account, so I'm selecting this. Now, if you're working with Instagram for business, which has been verified, so you can work with this. It doesn't really matter. So I'm selecting the simple Instagram. Now in the trigger event, we want to send the data when a new media is posted in my account. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger event is basically an if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new picture is uploaded or a new image is uploaded in Instagram, then what action should be taken by the system? Now at present, we only have one trigger event, that is new media posted in my account. Now if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build a trigger event for you. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new media is posted in my account. So basically the gist is we are just trying to integrate Instagram to Pabbly Connect. So let me just click on connect with Instagram. In the new credentials, let me just click on connect with Instagram. Okay, so before you click on allow, let me just tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with this. Okay, so on the basis of that trust, let me just press allow. Okay, so issuing the authorization is successful, just press OK. So as you can see, we have a button to click, that is a save and send test request. Now in the usual cases, when we click on connecting with your triggering software, you will be getting an webhook URL. So basically you will be copying this webhook URL and pasting it into the triggering software. But in this case, all we have to do is just click on save and send test request. So when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch the data of the recently created or uploaded image. So in our case, the recently uploaded image is this. So we already have this data. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to upload one more image. Okay, so as you can see, I have uploaded a new image called as Iron Man. Okay, so this is the caption Iron Man. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just taking you to profile. Okay, so this was the recently one, and now we have uploaded a new image. So now this is the newly uploaded image. Okay, so when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch the data of this particular image. Okay, because this is the recently uploaded image. So let me just click on save and send test request, and let me just show you. Okay, so as you can see, we do have the details. So as you can see, the caption is Iron Man. So we do have the same caption, that is Iron Man. And this is the media URL. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this. Okay, and let me just copy this and paste it here in a new tab, and let me just show you. So as you can see, this is the same image that we have uploaded in Instagram. So using this image, we are going to share a file or save a file in Google Drive. Okay, so basically to introduce Google Drive in Pabbly Connect, let me just introduce one more window. So this window is called as the action window. Now in the choose app, how about we make it as Google Drive? Google Drive it is. Okay, Google Drive. Now in the action event, how about we make it as upload a file? Okay, so let me just look for upload a file. So this is the one, upload a file. Okay, so upload a file is an action event. There are many more action events like delete a file, share, create a shared file, create a subfolder, create a file or folder, move a file, move a folder, share a file. All of them are a bunch of action events. Now, just like the triggers, if you have trouble finding the action event according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new file is uploaded. I just want to upload a file in Google Drive. That's all. So let me just click on connect with Google Drive. In the new credentials, let me just click on connect with Google Drive. Okay, so as you can see, we do have a series of Gmail accounts. So these are all the Gmail accounts that I have, and this particular Google Drive, okay, is present in this account. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to select this account. So I have selected it. Okay, so now it is asking me to confirm my choice. So before I click on allow, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. So on the basis of that trust, let me just press allow. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just press OK. Okay, so as you can see, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are basically going to upload a file in Google Drive from the data that we have received from Instagram via Pabbly Connect. So let's start mapping. So let me introduce you to this button. This button is called as the mapping button. When we click this, we will find all the data that we have received from Instagram. Now in the URL, we basically have to map this URL. Okay, so basically this is the same URL that we have opened in a new tab. So we have mapped it. Now coming to the folder ID, so what I'm going to do here is this is my Google Drive, and I'm going to create a new folder. Okay, so let me just go to the home page. Okay, the home page. Okay, so this is the home page of Google Drive, and let me just create a new folder, Instagram photos. So this is the name of the folder that will store all my Instagram images. So this is the folder Instagram photos. I'm just selecting this, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy these bunch of characters up to here. Okay, so basically this is your folder ID. I have copied this and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the folder ID. Now coming to the file name, so we are going to basically give the unique name. So the name should be something related. Okay, so Iron Man it is. And now since this is an image file, I'm just going to give an extension .png. Okay, so basically we have entered the URL. Okay, then we have entered the folder ID. So folder ID is basically this, and then we have entered the file name. So basically it will be creating a file with extension .png because it's an image file. So let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, the response is good. So let's have a look in the Google Drive. Yes, we do have the image. Okay, so basically we have got the image ironman.png. So the presence of this image shows that we have successfully integrated Instagram and Google Drive with help of Pabbly Connect. Now, before we leave this workflow, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So here I'm going to minimize my action window and I'm going to minimize my trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Instagram to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Google Drive. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Instagram and Google Drive.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.